Hold up to.
Wag po, please. Wala po kami pera. Alam mo, wag mo gawin niya. May mga paraan.
Gusto mo bang yumaman?
Ha? How?
Don't worry, ituturo ko sa'yo ang stand par. Go! From BBR. BBR?
This game can be played by 3 to 4 players. Each player owns a flag in a capital of 1,500 pesos. The flags has different colors as it symbolizes the player's ownership. Players will roll the dice to determine how many steps they will do. When their token landed on any properties, it's up to players if they will buy it. Bawat properties have different prices. Pwede mong gamitan ng capital to purchase one, and kapag ginawa nila yon, they have to put their flag on it to mark as their property. Kapag lumapag ang token ng kalaban sa property ng iba, you have to pay a rent that equivalent to the price of the property itself. Ang goal ng game na to, ay to bankrupt each other. Bankrupt and stole opponents' properties. Reach ang quota and build an empire. Empire? Ang unang player na makareach ng quota na 3,000 pesos sa loob ng 30 rounds ay ang mananalo.
O, di ba madali lang?
Oo nga, it's so easy.
Kaya kung ako sa'yo, huwag ka namang hold up. Makipaglaro ka na lang sa amin. Yayaman ka pa. Oo nga! Super fun ang game na to.
Yes, oo nga. Pero ang gagawin ko ngayon is, hold upin pa rin kayo. Buy and play this game, or else I will kill this four.